Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera on the iPad mini 3 tablet. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating requires iPad screen removal from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to hit the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the touchscreen. In between, insert few plastic pickers or carbide tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the reflex cables attached to the logic board. Next, lift the touchscreen to 90 degrees from the top, and then remove 4 screws securing the LCD screen. Next, lift the LCD screen to 90 degrees from the top. Next, take out the LCD plate by undoing 7 screws. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 4 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug, LCD plug and 2 touchscreen connector plugs from the logic board. And then gently take out the LCD screen and touchscreen from the body. Next, disconnect and take out the not working front camera from the body. First, release the tape and then apply some heat to soften the adhesive under the front camera. Next, gently pull out the front camera using a tweezer. Next, place and secure the new front camera on the body by connecting the plug and pasting the tape. Next, connect the battery plug. Place the touchscreen by securing two plugs. Next, place and connect the LCD screen. Next, place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, place the LCD plate by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the LCD screen by adding 4 screws. Next, clean the LCD and touchscreen surface. Next, before clamping, verify the screen has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided adhesive. Finally, we use screen binding to tie the screen to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.